everybody, welcome back to Cedar Creek RC. John here. I have my FairRC mod. Not quite sure what I got in this box. I don't know if they still have these for sale. I'm hoping for the Unimog, but the Blazer that they have is super cool too. Trying to think, have a couple Unimogs and a couple Blazers, I think. So let's go ahead and let's get it open. See what we got. I'm going to take the box away. I'm going to drop it straight down. See what we got. Hope that didn't give it away. Popped open a little bit. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's the Blazer. That's not bad looking. It looks way better in person than I've seen it on the videos. Be gentle pulling it out. And it already has the Batrazzi Precipice tires on it. Ooh, they're soft and squishy. Stock suspension. Got a roof rack that goes on it. I don't know if I'll put that on. I might put that on. I'm not real sure yet. Oh. Got a custom front bumper. I guess I didn't realize it came with a bumper. That's really cool though. I think the McHugh RC bumper would look good on this as well. Of course, it has all the stock goodies that come with it. Oh, and some oil-filled shocks that go with it as well. So that's cool. I'm happy with it. I was really hoping for the Unimog, but this isn't bad. The only reason I was hoping for a Unimog is because if you've seen in my previous videos, I already had this body. So it had just, it would have given me something different. Like, I'm not mad I got this. I actually kind of like that body. And I really like the wheels and tires on it as well. So that's the mod we got. Not too upset about it, but I like it. I'm not gonna do a running video. I'm just gonna leave it how it is for right now. There's plenty of videos out there. I kind of like the chrome bumpers and chrome look to it. We'll see what I end up doing. I might put the silver one up for sale. Not real sure what I'm going to do. I don't need two Blazers. So, but that's it. Just a quick unboxing video of this cool, and these are actual decals on it. I mean, it looks awesome. Like, that's old school 1980s style. Sorry about that. It's very cool though. So that's my mystery box that I got. I appreciate everybody watching. In the meantime, stay safe. Have a great day. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.